Lucilla actress Connie Nielsen has provided a big update concerning the Gladiator sequel, Ridley Scott's Oscar-winning historical epic turned 20 this year, and it's previously been reported that a follow-up would center on Lucius, Lucilla's son played by Spencer Tracy Clark in the original. Celebrating the anniversary with Entertainment Weekly, Connie admitted that they did hear from producers about Gladiator 2. I think it's just a question of which film is coming first in Ridley's very tight schedule, she said. And then I think it's a question of COVID-19 and can we get back to work? But I would be interested in doing, for sure. I mean, it's obviously a wonderful project, so of course I would be interested. Despite being 82 years old, Ridley always seems to be juggling a variety of cinematic projects. His latest, The Last Duel, was filming when the pandemic put everything on hold. Connie also spoke of how Ridley fought to make Lucilla a progressive character 2 decades ago. It was one of the things that made me feel so grateful to be part of the whole film, really. Ridley really was intent on making this character unequal to those men. Even not even more than unequal, she said. And I think that he heard me loud and clear when I complained at our very first meeting of the way that Hollywood treats women. I think that he just is somebody who was very intent on making that character be the smartest person in the room, and it was also what made me so proud of playing that character.